Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. So let's get started. Tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner and tap that gear icon on the upper right to go to your settings and privacy. Then scroll down and find audience and visibility. Under this, look for blocking. So tap blocking. And in here, you'll be able to see all the list of the people that you have blocked on your Facebook. So in order for you to unblock them, just tap on the name. So let's try, for example, this one. So just tap on the name that you wish to unblock. And then you will be getting this information that if you wish to unblock that person, they might be able to contact you again, and you can wait for 48 hours if you want to block them again. So just tap unblock if you wish to continue, and that person will be able to access and restore that account on your end. So hopefully this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates to come. Thanks for watching.